Good morning students, welcome to all. 12th Standard Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firms Fundamentals. Okay, so last video we learned fixed capital method. This video we are going to learn fluctuating capital method. So under this method, only one capital account is maintained for each partner. Okay, under this account, fluctuating capital account, we have maintained only one partner's capital account only. But fixed capital account, we prepared partner's capital account and a partner's current account. Okay, so fluctuating capital, we have to prepare only capital, partner's capital account. Okay, so all the transactions between the partner and the firm are recorded in the capital account. Okay, so the account of debit side, capital withdrawn and drawings, interest on drawings and share of loss of the partner. As a result, the balance in this goes to the fluctuating periodically. Okay, so under this method, the partner's capital account may show either credit balance or debit balance. So this is the format of fluctuating capital method. So first one, partner's capital account, then debit side, cash or bank, then drawings, 2 interest on drawing, 2 profit and loss appropriation, share of loss, then credit side, balance brought down. Okay, opening cash balance have to write here. The next additional capital introduced means partner, we have to write the credit side by cash or bank, then by interest on capital, next by salary account, next by commission account, next profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, this is the format of fluctuating capital method. So sum number 4, exercise number 4. We are going to discuss sum number 4. From the following information, prepare the capital accounts of Padmini and Padma where the capitals are fluctuating. So capital as on 1st January 2018, credit balance for Padmini 5 lakh, Padma 4 lakh. Drawings during 2018, Padmini 70,000, Padma 40,000. Interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000. Share of profit for 2018, 52,000 and 40,000. And interest on capital 30,000, 24,000. Salary for Padmini 45,000, Padma nil balance. Commission for Padmini nil balance and Padma 21,000. How to prepare the fluctuating capital method? So let's see the solution now. So fluctuating capital method. So first we only fluctuating capital method, we have to prepare only partner's capital account. So debit side, credit side, date, particulars, Padmini and Padma. Same thing, credit side, date, particulars, Padmini and Padma. Okay, so first we have to write on the credit side by balance B by D, opening balance, capital balance. So 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Next, drawing. Suppose we have to write debit side, 2 drawings, 70,000, 40,000. Next, interest on drawing, interest on drawing 2,000 for Padmini, 2,000, Padma 1,000. The next, share of profit 2018. So we have to write by profit and loss appropriation account. How much? 52,000 52,000, 40,000. 52,000, 40,000. Then next, by interest on capital, by interest on capital, 30,000, 24,000. Then next, by salary, by salary, 45,000 for Padmini, Padma nil balance. Then by commission, Padmini nil balance, Padma 21,000. Okay, so we have to add credit side. Credit side is more, so credit side total 6,27,000. 6,27,000. Then for Padma 4,85,000. 4,85,000. So 5 lakh plus 52,000 plus 30,000 plus 45,000, 6,27,000. Then for Padma 4 lakh plus 40,000 plus 24,000 plus 21,000, 4,85,000. Bring into debit side, 6,27,000, 4,85,000. Credit side is more, so debit side total 72,000. So 6,27,000 minus 72,000. So answer 5,55,000. 5,55,000. Next 4,85,000 minus 41,000. 4,44,000. So the answer 2 balance C by D. Then come to right side, by balance brought down 5,55,000, 4,44,000. Okay, understand? So in this sum number 4, fluctuating capital method. So fluctuating capital method means we have to prepare only partners capital account. So partners capital account debit side drawing and interest on drawing only we have to write. Then credit side, partners capital, reduce the capital and additional capital. Then profit, share of profit and loss. Then interest on capital and salary and the commission we have to write on the credit side. So in this sum, capital amount 5 lakh, 4 lakh. So by balance brought down 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Then profit loss appropriation account 52,000 and 40,000. Interest on capital 30,000, 24,000. Salary 45,000. Commission 21,000. So credit side is total 6,27,000. Then for Padmini 4,85,000. Then come to the debit side, we will write to drawing 70,000, 40,000, to interest on drawing 22,000. So 6,22,000 minus 72,000, 5,55,000. Next 4,85,000 minus 41,000, 4,44,000. So the answer will call 2 balance carried down. 2 balance carried down. Okay, next, application of the provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. Okay, if there is a no partnership deed or where there is a no express statement in the partnership deed, the following provisions of the act will apply. So first one, remuneration to partners. Remuneration to partners. So no salary or remuneration is allowed to any partner, section 13A. So if the partnership deed is silent, so remuneration of partners to partners, no salary or remuneration is allowed to any partner. The next one, profit sharing ratio. So profit and losses are to be shared by the partners equally. If the partnership deed is silent, the profit and losses are to be shared by the partners equally, section 13B. The next, interest on capital. So if there is no partnership deed, so the interest on capital is allowed on the capital, where the partner is entitled to interest on capital contributed as per partnership deed. So such interest on capital will be payable only out of profits. So next, interest on loans advanced by partners to the firm. So interest on loan is to be allowed at the rate of 6%. Okay, only 6% per annum, section 13D. The next one, interest on drawing. So no interest is charged on the drawings of the partners. So these are the application to provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. Okay, so let's see sum number 1. So sum number 1, Akash, Bala, Chandru and Daniel are partners in the firm. There is a no partnership deed. How will you deal with the following? First one, Akash has contributed the maximum capital. So he demands the interest on capital 10% per annum. So what is the answer? So no interest on capital. No interest on capital is payable to any partner as per the rules. Okay. Second question, Bala withdrawn 3,000 per month. Other partners ask Bala to pay interest on drawings 8% per annum to the firm. So but Bala did not agree it. What is the answer? Same thing, no interest is charged. No interest is chargeable on drawings. Chargeable on drawings made by the partner. Third question, Akash demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio, but others do not agree. So answer, as per the partnership deed, so the profit should be equally shared. Profit should be distributed equally. Okay. So next, the fourth situation, Akash demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio, but others do not agree. Okay. So capital ratio finished. The next one, the fourth one, Daniel demands salary at the rate of 10,000 per month as he spends full time from the business. Okay. So what is the solution? In the partnership is silent, no remuneration. No remuneration. Is payable to any partner. Okay. So next, fifth situation, loan advanced by Chandru to the firm 50,000. He demands interest on loan 12% per annum. So interest on loan is payable to only 6%. So interest on loan is payable at 6% per annum. Okay. If the partnership deed is silent, so we have to follow the situation. Thank you.